All right, folks, so let's engage in some basic data cleanup here. The first thing I want to explore is how, when we have a list that we know has some duplicates, how can we clean that up? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use this email column, which by clicking on a cell, you can see I've actually used a formula to generate these emails, and we're going to explore that a little later. But I want to copy and paste these emails now into a new list. So I'm going to click on the very top email, Shift Command down, highlight the whole column, copy. Now, one first lesson is if I go here and I go into email address and I click on paste, I think it might give me something a little wonky. Why? Because note that what I just pasted was this formula, and this formula calls on particular cells, in this case B2 and C2, which in this particular sheet doesn't make sense and they happen to be empty. So I'm going to undo that pasting, and I'm going to show you how, if you want to copy paste some values but not necessarily the formula behind them, like I just want the text of these email addresses, I'm going to go to the place where I want to paste it. I'm going to Control click, and that's saying, hey, what are some other options here? And what I'm going to do is paste values only. Just give me the text of those email addresses. All right, great. So now we have a list of these email addresses. Again, I know that there's got to be some duplicates here. And now what we're going to explore is how can we possibly clean that up? So we're going to look at this in two ways. The first is a little bit less flexible. It's kind of a one-time duplicate removal. And the second way is going to be a little bit more flexible, a little bit more dynamic, in which Google Sheets will take a list that you have and it will sort it so it gives you only unique values and, again, removes the duplicates. So first, the one-time way. Let's go ahead and let's highlight all the data that we want to clean up the duplicates from. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to go to Remove Duplicates. Okay, it says, hey, we've got 122 rows, one column. What do you want to do here? Let's remove the duplicates from, in this case, column E. I've only selected column E. 72 duplicates were found and removed. Now there are just 50 unique rows. So of those 122 entries, there were only 50 unique email addresses. And now we have that list right here. So it ends at E51. Not a surprise. Okay, that was option number one. And now, again, that was like a one-time thing. You do it once, and then you've got your list, and so be it. I'm actually going to go ahead and delete all of this. And I'm going to show you another way that we can do this. And it's using a formula called unique. So I'm going to go to the top cell where I want this list to be. Write equals unique. What does unique do? Unique returns unique rows in the provided source range, discarding duplicates. So in this case, I want unique. What is the data that I want to sift through? I'm going to go over to attendance, and I'm going to choose the email address list. So starting from E2 all the way down to E123. Of course, I could have typed this out if I wanted to. I could have named that range if I wanted to. Either way, I'm going to press enter now. It'll take me back to the other sheet where I have this formula. Great, and look, it now gave us this list, which should be exactly the same. It should end at E51, right, with T Figgins at. And so one thing about the unique formula, which I really like, is that if you now go back and you keep on adding to this list, inserting columns in the middle, inserting things at the end, whatever, it's a dynamic list. This dynamic formula will continue to spit out a unique list of those email addresses. So one a little bit more powerful than the other, but both will do you the favor of sorting through a list with duplicates and giving you only the unique entries.